Welcome to video 109 of Easy Law Online. Ako si Attorney Chato Olivas and today is June 20, 2025. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang isang very interesting topic at ito ay tungkol sa failure. Ang title ng video na ito ay Learn from Failure. Ikaw ay nasa law school and you're surrounded by brilliant, driven individuals. Ang pressure na ikaw ay mag-succeed can be very, very immense and even intense. And it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that anything less than perfection is a failure. Pero, ibahin natin ang pag-iisip natin tungkol dyan. Imagine na nakatanggap ka ng grade sa isang test far below than what you expected. Or maybe, medyo sumablay ka sa isang moot court argument. Ang initial reaction mo ay shock, disappointment, and perhaps even a sense of shame. Nahihiya ka. You might start questioning your abilities, ang desisyon mo na pumasok sa law school, or even ang pananaw mo sa sarili mo, your self-worth. Ito ay isang napaka-critical na moment. Papayagan mo ba na ang setback na to ay magde-define sa'yo, or gagamitin mo to bilang springboard for growth? Ang perspective ko ay ganito. Failure is your teacher, not your enemy. Every assignment, every exam, every discussion is designed to push you, to identify areas where you can improve, and to ultimately make you a more skilled and capable legal professional. Pag nag-stumble ka, pag nag-fail ka, or pag hindi mo na-reach yung goal mo sa law school, look at it as an opportunity. This is a chance to, number one, pinpoint areas for improvement. Meron ka bang concept na hindi naintindihan? Meron ka bang analysis na hindi tama? Nag-struggle ka ba sa time management? These are all concrete things that you can work on. Pangalawa, it's your chance to develop resilience. Law is a very demanding profession. You will face tough cases, challenging opponents, and sometimes unfavorable outcomes. Learning to bounce back from setbacks now is invaluable training for your future career. And number three, it will teach you how to refine your approach. Perhaps your study methods are not as effective as they could be, or kailangan mong i-adjust ang strategy mo for tackling examinations. Failure will give you the data you need to make these adjustments. Isipin mo na lang na ang failure ay isang coach. Yung coach hindi nagagalit kapag ang player niya ay nag-miss ng shot. Ina-analyze nila bakit nangyari and tutulungan ng coach yung player na i-adjust ang kanyang technique. So embrace the learning opportunity. When you encounter what feels like a failure, ito ang iyong gawin. Number one, acknowledge your feelings. Okay lang na ma-disappoint, ma-frustrate, or even magalit. Huwag mong kikimkimin. Number two, analyze but don't dwell. Once you've processed your emotions, shift to more analytical mindset. Ano yung nangyaring mali? Ano yung pwede mong gawin differently? Number three, seek feedback. Ito ay importante. This is crucial. Review your work, understand where the gaps were. This is the most direct path to improvement. Number four, develop a plan. Based on your analysis and feedback, create a concrete plan of action for how you will approach similar challenges in the future. And number five, practice self-compassion. Remember that you're human. Everyone makes mistakes. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. The lessons you learn from navigating failure in law school will serve you well far beyond your graduation. The legal profession, like life, is full of unpredictable twists and turns. You may encounter rejections, lose cases, and face moments of doubt. Your ability to learn from these experiences, adapt, and persevere will be far more important than a perfect academic record. So learn from it. Surely, you will do better next time. Until here for now, see you next time. Meanwhile, do justice, love kindness, and walk humbly with God. This is from Micah chapter 6 verse 8. Ito si Attorney Chato Olivas. God bless you.